From Sooner Standards, surveys to visualizations, build a trustworthy data set, a complete grades 9 to 10, level 1 computer science unit for Oklahoma Standard L1.DA.CVT.01. Students learn to use tools and techniques to locate, collect, and create visualizations of small and large-scale data sets and explain how my choices affect whether the results can be trusted. Inside, a full teacher guide with pacing, misconceptions, and a scoring rubric, plus a content lesson with built-in comprehension checkpoints, plus a 12-question assessment with answer key, group and individual activities, vocabulary puzzles, a family letter, and a certificate of achievement. That's 3 to 4 Dalton's Ono prep instruction across 43 ready-to-print pages. Find it at Sooner Standards on Teachers Pay Teachers.